Hello everyone, welcome to Roti and Rice. Today I am going to show you how to prepare a quick and easy zucchini and egg fried rice. Apart from the day-old rice, the entire process will take only about 20 minutes from start to finish. Let's get started. Cut off the ends of the zucchini. Then cut into half lengthwise. Cut each half into 3 strips and cut the strips into 1/4-inch pieces crosswise. Do the same for the other half. Cut green onions at a diagonal into thin slices. Turn on stove to high and allow wok to heat up. Swirl in vegetable oil. Sauté garlic for 30 seconds. Add carrot and zucchini. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Push the vegetables to the side of the wok. Lightly beat the eggs and pour beaten eggs into the wok. Allow the eggs to set. When eggs are almost set, add rice over the eggs and vegetables. Add ground pepper and soy sauce. Stir to get everything well mixed. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Halfway through stir frying, add salt to taste. Continue to stir fry until rice is dry and fluffy. Stir in sliced green onions. Turn off stove. Dish into bowls and serve immediately. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and will give me a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon here on Roti and Rice.